The KREM 2 Storm Tracker brings you live conditions from the roads, and right now this is headed back into town or back into Spokane from Deer Park, and roads are looking pretty good where crews got out and did a little bit of plowing, but some of those side streets, well, those side streets are still looking a bit like what you got here, and that is packed snow and ice as you're seeing in downtown Coeur d'Alene. Now temperatures hanging out down below freezing mean it's all packed snow and ice this morning if plows haven't been down those streets. So basically think of it this way. You by now know that those arterials are getting hit first, followed by some of those side streets. So it's likely your side streets are gross. The good news, we got rid of our winter weather advisory. That did expire at the top of the hour. And now we're looking at that snow finally tapering off and moving out. We still have a couple of those small little pockets of snow, but for the most part, it is winding down and it is working its way out. That's good news. Today, we catch a break once that snow's done and temperatures stay below freezing. So it's kind of a beautiful wintry day, if you're asking me. Maybe you are. But what happens tonight is a major round of snow, and that major round of snow has major impacts tomorrow, and we are talking more than a half a foot in many areas. Now, when it comes to us, we don't really see it until about 10 p.m. and then hang on to it through the morning commute. Elsewhere, it starts just a little bit earlier. For that reason, your winter storm warnings start a little bit earlier. They'll start this evening over on the western portion of the state. They start tonight for us here in Spokane and Coeur d'Alene and North Idaho, and that is for this snow as it moves in. So we get rid of our snow today. Tonight, the snow starts creeping into the middle of the state by about after dinner, I'll say. By the time you're nestled in bed, by about 10 p.m., 10:30, it'll start moving in for us here in Spokane and down in the Palouse, up into Kettle Falls, Colville, and then into Newport, Coeur d'Alene, Sandpoint after, say 11. Then it continues into tomorrow morning. This is even at 6 a.m. and notice it's still coming down along Interstate 90 pretty good and eventually starts to wind down after you're at work tomorrow. Now a push of moisture on the backside gives us some warm enough temps that we're talking the potential for rain on the end of it. But for now, it's this. It's a lot of snow. We're talking 4 to 7 inches by the time it comes to an end in Spokane, 5 to 9 in Chewelah and off to the north, 2 to 4 in central Washington and the Columbia Basin, 6 to 10 in far reaches of the northern Panhandle, 5 to 9 in Coeur d'Alene and St. Mary's. You're down in the Palouse, about 3 to 6.